In this video, I will show you how to sync Facebook friends on TikTok. First of all, open the TikTok application and log into your account. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version. On the home screen, you will see different tabs at the bottom. Tap on the profile tab. Your profile page will open. Tap on the hamburger icon at top right corner. A drop-down menu will appear. Select the settings and privacy option. On the next screen, settings and privacy will appear. Tap on the privacy option to select it. On the privacy page, scroll down towards the bottom and look for the device and third-party app permissions section. Under this section, you will find the option of sync contacts and Facebook friends. On the next screen, you will see the option of sync Facebook friends. It is disabled right now. Tap on the toggle button right in front of it to enable it. A pop-up will appear. Review the information and tap on OK. After that, you will be asked for access to your Facebook account. So tap on the continue as whatever your name is button at the bottom. Wait for the loading and then you will see the synced option will be turned on. And this is how you can sync Facebook friends on TikTok.